What's going on, YouTubers? Doing our monthly check-in, month of November, for our cash flow portfolio. This is all high risk. This is all, for the most part, ETFs, and a lot of it is related to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's booming, the portfolio's booming, and the cash is flowing. So, for the 10 tickers we have in this portfolio that we're trying to grow to $100,000 before we start truly enjoying the cash flow, we have $3,600 invested for the month of November. Our distributions we received in November was 94% average, and that brought us $2,850 in the month of November. Of course, we took that, reinvested it back into the portfolio. Yahoo Finance is sucking at tracking my distribution dividends that I've been receiving. The dates are off, and some of them are missing. So you're going to have to bear with me while I check my notes and cover this portfolio with y'all. So the first one actually hit on the 1st of November for ticker QQQY, and that brought us $1. This one was 38% distribution. And then the next distribution for ticker QQQY was 41% that hit on the 8th, giving us $2 to add to the cash flow. Next one was on the 15th, and that came in at 51% distribution, giving us another $2. And then we had another distribution of 38% that hit on the 22nd. That gave us $3 for the portfolio. And then the last one for ticker QQQY came in on the 29th of November at 43% distribution. And we did increase our stock quantities. So that gave us $5.66. Next one up is ticker WDTE, another Defiance option we have here that pays weekly. So we got 5 distributions that came in November, and of course Yahoo's messing it up, missing 2, and the dates are off. November 1st was 30% distribution. That gave us $1. Next one was the 8th of November. That came in at 36% distribution. That gave us another $1. Then we had the 15th, 41% distribution. That gave us $1. And then we had on the 22nd, 30% distribution. This one's been struggling. That gave us $2.94. And then we increased our stock holding again. See, you can't even see it on here. And we had 36% distribution come in on the 29th with 16 shares for $4. Yahoo's killing me. Next one up, IWMY Defiance. Yahoo only tracked 3 of the 5 for this one. On November 1st, we had 41% distribution, giving us $5. Came in again on the 8th of November at 51% distribution. That gave us $5. And then again, 65% distribution on the 15th, which is missing in Yahoo. That gave us $6 for the portfolio. Then we had another distribution hit on the 22nd, 51% distribution, give us another $5 for the portfolio. And our final one for ticker IWMY came in on the 29th, not the 27th, 56% distribution. We increased to 19 shares, and we are sitting at $6 and some change for that one. All right, next one up, YBIT, YieldMax Bitcoin. This one hit on the 1st, not the 31st of October, but the 1st of November. 65% distribution, dropped down 18%. That gave us $140 of cash flow. Pretty good. I can't complain. Ticker USOY, Defiance. This one actually only does a monthly distribution, which I do kind of prefer, but the weekly thing could come in handy one day. This one posted on the 4th of November, not the 1st, as Yahoo tries to tell me. We only got one share of this, and that gave us 78 cents. We have increased our shares to 88, so it'll be a little bit better than just a buck when we take a look at this one next month. So BITO, BITO, ProShares Bitcoin ETF. This one's been hovering. I believe it came in at, my math was 58%, but it looks like it's more of a 45% distribution. So with that said, 99 cents a share, 400 shares, that gave us $397. That's some nice cash flow. This one's been paying good since we've had it. Next one up, ticker NVDY. Don't get it confused with NVDA. YieldMax. YieldMax came in at 51% distribution. It dropped down 4%. This one's been struggling, even though NVDA has been crushing its results. So I'm not sure why the stock market's not loving this ticker. But that one posted on the 8th, not the 7th, giving us $269 and some pennies. Pretty good, pretty good. I'm liking it. Next one up, ticker CONY. Don't get it confused with COIN. This one came in at 135% distribution, an increase of 34%. If we had more shares, we would have more money. But $2 and some change per share is outstanding. This gave us another $115 to the portfolio. Next one up, ticker ULTY. ULTY came in at 101% distribution for the month of November. Increase of 1%, which is awesome. I'll take it. Anything over 100% distribution is awesome. This one gave us 83 cents a share. Excuse me. 430 shares of ULTY give us $357 and some pennies. Outstanding. I'm digging it. We just got to buy another $5,000 worth, and we will have locked that in. All these tickers, I'm just doing 10 grand per ticker, and that's it to equal 100K. MSTY, this one has been kicking some serious tail. It came in at 135% distribution. It did drop 40%, but it pay out, which is not on frickin' Yahoo, came in at $4.42. Huge payout. This is the biggest one we've seen yet at $1,516 and some pennies, bringing us $2,850 for the month of November. Digging it. Things are looking good. As long as Bitcoin, cryptocurrency keeps pushing, this portfolio should not disappoint. As you can see, beginning of the year, when we were covering this, well, mid-year, there was a much more red than there was green here. So we still have some unrealized losses, and we're having some unrealized gains, but the cash flow from the dividends is starting to pay. Who couldn't use an extra $2,800 a month? You know what I mean? All right, that's about it. Sorry it was all over the frickin' map with this one. Yahoo sucks, but it's really the best website to plug in your information and track it without actually having to constantly log into your portfolio. So we'll see y'all next month with hopefully more cash flow and more green on the map. Let's get it.